Hi, and welcome to ABB Power Generation and Water Automation Vlog. I'm Terry Lesniak, a marketing consultant here at ABB, and right now I'm coming to you from our new ABB Cleveland facility. Today, we want to talk a little bit about our Power Generation Care loyalty offering program, specifically what that is and how you could take advantage of it. So I invited our guest speaker here with me today, Ryan Samidell. And Ryan is part of our Power Generation and Water Service Delivery team. Ryan, thanks so much for joining.
You're welcome.
So Ryan, can you explain a little bit about what the Power Generation Care loyalty program is?
Sure. When customers partner with ABB in a Power Generation Care or Water Care contract, we offer quarterly bundles of product. The bundles are specifically addressing their life cycle needs. So power supplies, controllers, communication boards, these are the types of things that we put in loyalty offers.
Okay, great. And what's our current program that we have today?
So the current program is addressing the HSS-13. The HSS-13 is a hydraulic servo control module, and it's used to control turbines.
Okay, good. So those that are watching us, if they have more questions about this program or the current offering, what would you suggest that they do?
So they can contact their account manager, and the account manager can provide them the proposal and direct them as far as how to purchase or what the offer exactly is.
Okay, great. Thanks again, Ryan, for joining and discussing with us today.
You're welcome.
And thank you, everyone, for joining us as well, too. If you'd like to watch any additional vlogs, please follow me on Twitter and LinkedIn. Until next time.